In today's tutorial, I will show you how to archive all chats on Qwen Ai application. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web browsing application. For me, it's Google. At the search bar, you have to type in Qwen Ai and select the first popping up result. From the home page, you have to tap onto your profile icon from the top right corner. In the pop-up, select Settings. From the setting interface, you have to select Chats. Here, you can see the option of Archive all chats. Tap on it. It will ask for your confirmation. You have to select Correct. And that's how you archive your chats on Qwen Ai. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.